Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV, Nedbank Cup, AmaZulu 2, Orlando Pirates 4. I'm joined by friend, my brother. What's your name and where you from?
Salim Maister 7 from AmaZulu branch.
My brother, we want to game
it was a beautiful game, Baba.
True, my brother.
It was a beautiful game. I think Moses Mabida, it is our second home.
True.
After Orlando, it is our second home because we always win there.
Yes, sir.
I think we must always play here. We must always come to Natal and play here.
Once.
If we don't play at Orlando Stadium, we must come and play at Moses Mabida.
One time,
because we always win.
Yeah.
We always win here.
Yeah.
It's our second home. I love this stadium.
You love the stadium?
I love this stadium.
Over Orlando Stadium?
Hey, Orlando number 1, Bob. Orlando number 1. Yeah, second home. It's our second home. It's our second home after Orlando. It's our second home after Orlando.
Who's your man of the match, my brother?
For me, I will go for Sesana. Sesana.
Yeah.
He has proven himself for Fanda.
Yeah.
Sesana is a good player.
Yes, sir.
I remember at Orlando we playing against, I think, Cape Town Spurs.
Yeah.
Some fans, they were booing him after that little mistake.
Yeah.
But today he has proved himself that he's a good defender.
True, my
I
brother.
love that guy. He's a good defender. We must always support our boys.
Yeah.
Stop booing our players, guys. Let us support our boys.
Yes,
let us support all of them. So man of the match for me. Yeah, I know Tito is a good player, but I will give it to Cesar.
Who do you want in the next round, my brother, of Nedbank Cup? Sundowns is there,
but those are small teams. I want Stellenbosch.
Sundowns is a small team.
Small teams. I want Stellenbosch. I want to knock Stellenbosch because I'm going to meet Stellenbosch in the final. It's going to be a problem. I want to knock them now.
Yeah.
I don't want to meet them in the final. I want to knock them now. Now. Even tomorrow, we can play them. Even tomorrow. Stellenbosch FC. Sasa. Not Sundowns. Sundowns is a small team. I want Stellenbosch.
Sundowns is a small team.
Small team, man. They went to the penalty shootout with amateurs.
Yeah.
They're playing for amateurs. What? I think it's NFD or what? I want Stellenbosch, not Sundowns. I want Stellenbosch. I share 2-4-2. I give him a penalty.
True, my brother.
Straight. I give him a penalty.
Win 90 minutes.
That's a weird Lama Peter for a final. I think it's going to be there.
My brother, do you have a Nedbank account?
Yeah,
did you register on nedbankcup.co.za?
I am registered. I'm going to register. I want it, my man.
Tomorrow, register.
I'm going to register tomorrow. I want it, my man.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Chap,